There is a common error that keeps occurring on the Windows system. While playing video, Windows Media Player cannot play the video file. It can happen with any media player, whether it's VLC or MX player. The exact reason behind this error is still not found, but it generally appears due to improper codec of the video file or corruption errors that exist in the file. Although you can use manual methods to repair the file, it won't help if the file is severely corrupt. Thus, it would help if you fix the corruption errors in the video file to make it accessible across the media players. In this video, we will discuss how you can fix the video not playing error by removing the corruption in the video file with the Kernel Video Repair utility. First of all, you need to download and install the software on your system. After installation, start the tool and click the plus icon to add the corrupt video file. Now, browse and select the corrupt videos from their location and click the Open button. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the video to the tool. You can add multiple corrupt videos to the software. After adding the corrupt videos to the tool, you will see them listed in the software. If the video file is highly corrupt, you will have to add a healthy reference file to the tool. The video should be of the same device and the same type. Now, click the Repair Files button at the bottom of the tool. In the next step, select a location to save the repaired videos on your system and click OK. The tool will start repairing the videos. Meanwhile, you can see the repair process in the tool interface. Once the files are fixed, the tool will show success status along with the location of the saved file. You can also save the report in a CSV format for future use. Now, click Close to end the repairing process, and check the repaired videos at the saved location. Thanks for watching the video. For more information, please visit our website. Have a nice day.